is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I do this at the comfort of my home. I left my office and just do all my work right here. Anyway, I worked at IRS for 10 years. I was a teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been in tax defense now for, for 41 years now. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. The other thing that you need to know is I've been on all the major news stations. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. As a former revenue officer working all these cases, people need to know how IRS works their case. If you owe back tax debt, there's a certain way IRS deals with that debt, and I want to explain it to you in probably less than a minute. IRS takes a financial statement. If the case is at the service center, they take a 433-F financial statement. If the case is in the local office, like with a revenue officer, what I used to be, they take a 433A. What they do is they look at that financial statement, they ask you for documentation, mainly your pay stubs, proof of income, proof of expenses. Once they have that, there are 3 different verticals that they will go ahead and they will put you in closing their case off the IRS enforcement system or the K2 computer. This is how they do that. They'll either put you into a currently non-collectible, which means currently at this time for the next couple years, they will deem you not able to collect the money. Now, penalties and interest run. They'll take your refund unless you change your W-4, but your case stays there. The penalties and interest, that runs a killer. Next thing is you can get into a payment agreement because your financial statement dictated that. The third thing is you can file for an offer in compromise. Now, before you do that to try to settle your debt, only 13,000 people got accepted last year. Most who were rejected were by these big box firms, or you go ahead and say, oh my, boy, look at this ad, look at that ad. And then a salesman gets on the phone and says, no, they'll promise you the moon. Let me tell you, the moon ain't there. You're going to be out all sorts of money, and then IRS is going to get really mad at you for neglecting to contact them. These companies do not do what they promise you. Do not use these companies that add you to death. They have salespeople aggressive that know what to say, that know what your hot button is, and you will give them anything you can because they make you nervous. If you want to know the truth, give me a call. I've been doing this a really long time. If you're going to do this yourself, be prepared to give IRS the financial statement and make sure you file all your tax returns. If you're self-employed, make sure you start making estimate payments. Give me a subscription if you would. I've told you everything I could today. Thank you so very much. I appreciate subscription, a like, or a share. If you know someone going through a problem, just share me. I'm very shareable. Thank you.